So I'm probably going to be in the house for a little longer. I am itching to get outside and do something. It's a rainy day, so it's a good day to do this cleaning anyway. And let me see, hold on, I'm almost done with this case. But yeah, so washing the sheets, ironing them, especially with certain fabrics, it actually just makes the fabric look so much more beautiful. Oh wait, hold on, I'll know what to do. I already ironed the other one. So, let me see. Can you see the pattern? I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of, whoops, that panel is. But anyway, so it really shows, it's really when it hits the light, it's very subtle, which is what I like about it and what makes it so elegant. Those are the Yves Saint Laurent cases. It's called the Nymph collection. I think they're out of stock, or I don't think they make it anymore, which I don't know why. It's like a stunning collection. They should have kept it in the permanent, but that's fine. Eventually, I would hope once we can travel again and I can go back to Europe to find some vintage cases to match the pieces that I have. So I have the Euros and the sheet from the Nymph collection. That's all I could find. I was a little trigger shy with getting anything else, and now I wish I would have had this. I would have had the full set, but I think something older would work with these really well. And then I don't know. I think there's something nice about those vintage sheets. They're really, really special. And then it's always nice when you put them on your bed. You're reminded of where's the camera? You're reminded of the trip. So this probably needs a little bit more. I'm gonna finish this now. I'm gonna do some more cleaning. I'm gonna do the bathroom. I like cleaning the bathroom, just not in the mood today. I gotta finish the floors, night tables, and then windows. So yesterday I picked up some plants. I went to a couple of nurseries around the city. I'm actually trying to film a video, nurseries in all 5 boroughs. And I picked up some plants to replace the ones that had died while I was with family during quarantine. And so I'm excited to plant those. So I might need to get some soil later. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish cleaning. I'm gonna head outside, maybe go, I'm trying to think where I want to go today. I might try to find another plant store. I need to pick up some soil so that I can take them downstairs. There's this girl who does it for me. I've tried doing it in my house and it makes such a mess. It's just impossible, and you have dirt all over your house. And then I have to clean it up. She does it. I give her $5. It's not a big deal. Delegate when you can. Life tip. But yeah, clean, head out. I probably need another coffee and make it at home. And I did some yoga this morning, which really helped. My back is really tight, and my neck's been killing me. And it actually helps. It does. I hesitate to do it because I don't know why. Because every time I do it, I feel better. And unfortunately, that's what the way it goes with exercise. Sometimes it's really tough to do it and get your head around the actual doing. But once you're into it, it's probably one of the most rewarding things you can do for yourself and your health and your mind. And what is it? All of the above. So yeah, that's it for now.
I took the train downtown, and the High Line has reopened. You can go online and make your time slot reservations there. That ensures that everybody gets a fair amount of space and enjoys the park safely while practicing social distancing. So check the website. When you're there, sign in, check in to your slot. They'll give you the rules, and that's it. Enjoy.
Then you can even see downtown, and you can also see my finger in the frame. But oh my gosh, I've never loved it more. This is awesome. Look how beautiful. Can't beat it. Beautiful summer day on the High Line, no crowds. You gotta love it. I'm on the High Line! Private entry! Woo! Uptown, downtown, and in the winter you get to see the Statue of Liberty, but in the summer you gotta try a little harder. Let's see. Hey, there she is. That little smoggy, blurry Lady Liberty. Some days it depends on the clarity, but either way. Here we go. Beautiful day. Hudson River, beyond it, New Jersey. And there you go, city. Let's see if we can see the Empire State Building. It should be peeking through the back somewhere. Let's see. You may not be able to see it from this angle. It's around there somewhere. That's Vanderbilt, the new Vanderbilt Tower in the background. They have entrances along the way. I don't know if they're all open right now, but usually they are. And you get these amazing vantage points looking up and down the cross streets. Always a Starbucks shot in my videos. It's really unintentional, I promise. But I guess it maybe shouldn't be unintentional. It should be very intentional. I just got off at Astor Place, and this stop is one of my favorites. There's something about the scale of the buildings here. It's really interesting, the way the light kind of comes through at the different angles, because it breaks the city grid. So the light comes in, and there's just a really interesting scale of the architecture. So, East Village, that way. Downtown Soho, Greenwich Village, Washington Square Park, Union Square, and Uptown, that way. Great area. Astor. The Astor stop. Great stop. Welcome back to the vlog channel. Another day in New York, and it's raining, and I love it. Nothing like a rainy day. He's hiding from the camera. Downtown, he's got a coffee and running a few errands and bringing you along. One of my favorite areas. I love how narrow the streets are.